Now let's continue on Boolean algebra and solve some simple problems with multiply variables. Let's take this one, a plus ab. If it was a problem of algebra of real values, that would be not possible to simplify any further. But in Boolean algebra, yes, we can. We can take a out of brackets because we know that a is actually a multiplied by 1. So it will be a, then brackets 1 plus b. Yes, and now you can see that actually some variable plus 1 is always 1. You see, we know that all this expression inside the parenthesis is 1. So the whole expression will equal a multiplied by 1, or just simply a. Yes, let's do another one. A plus b multiplied by a plus c. So let's start and multiply these two brackets. It would be a plus ac plus ba plus bc. As you can see already, all the rules about how you open brackets and how you flip around variables are the same as in algebra of real values. That's why I didn't discuss that. So what do we have here? We have a multiplied by a, and you actually can see that a multiplied by a is a. So we know that this guy is actually just a. Let's write it down. It's already simpler, so it's a plus ac plus ba plus bc. Well, what we can do with that further? We can take out a out of brackets in this expression. Let's take a out of brackets, because we remember that a is actually a multiplied by 1. So if we take a out of brackets, it will be a multiplied by 1 plus c, and rewrite ba plus bc. As you can see, it should look familiar to you, this particular one. We did the same thing with this problem. We know that some variable plus 1 in Boolean algebra will always equal 1, yeah, as the rule says. Yeah, so we know that this expression inside brackets is 1. So let's rewrite it. So the whole thing will be a, yeah, multiplied by 1, but that's a, plus ba plus bc. Whoa, and you can see that we can do the same trick again. We can do exactly the same trick here. We can take a out of brackets, as we did here and here. And what do we get? A multiplied by 1 plus b and plus bc. And again we remember that this one will be 1 because of this rule. If some variable plus 1, then it's 1 as well. So the whole expression will be a plus bc, and that's the answer. So you can see we went all the way from this expression to this one. Yes, that's how we simplify Boolean expressions. That's one of the ways. Afterwards I will tell you some other ways as well. And so let's take some other simple problems, like this one. Another problem. This will be simple one. A plus a multiplied by a inverted. Yes, that looks very simple. We can do more or less the same trick we were doing all the way up. We take a out of the brackets and we have a plus a negated. Then, yeah, of course, we know that something plus 1 will be always 1, but does it work with negated values? No. Yeah, we can check that if you're not sure, but yeah, it's actually work, but we can check it. We can put instead of a, we can say that if a equals 1, then a negated will equal 0, and then 1 plus 0 will equal 1, and if a equals 0, then a negated will equal 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 1. Yeah, as right here. Yeah, it's I bet it's obvious to you right now. I just wanted to show you then, if sometimes you are just not sure if there is a negated value, how is this change things around, you just can check it with the rules above, with this one from the last video. So we know that all this expression will be 1, and the resulting will be just a multiplied by 1, or just a. That's simple. Let's take another one. AB plus AB negated. And for this one, I suppose you can just pause this video, take a piece of paper and just play around with that. I bet it will be super easy to you to simplify this expression. Now you can, but of course you can follow me, but I think it would be fun to simplify that. You can pause the video, wait, try to solve it, and then see how I do that right now, and what the way will be. So I would take a out of brackets. Yeah, it's like the thing we done so many times before already today. And inside the brackets we will have b plus b negated. That's maybe something new. We should check. Something plus something negated. Yeah, here it is. A plus a negated will equal 1. Well, something plus something negated will equal... Oh, someone calling me by mistake. What were a plus a negated will equal 1? That means that b plus b negated will also equal 1. So the whole expression again will equal a, or a multiplied by 1. Yeah, I bet you did this one right. If not, you probably don't remember these rules, and you shouldn't remember that. I have them on my website, or they're actually all around the internet if you search for Boolean algebra. But if you're watching this video from my website, which is www.kileshev.com, then all these rules there are in a nice table, not with my bad handwriting, so you can easily check every expression instead of rewinding this video. Let's do another one. What do we have here? A negated plus b multiplied by a negated. Yeah, you could try solve this and pause the video, and you could do that with any further problem with no notice. You have all the theory, you know all the rules of this game called Boolean algebra. You can just go ahead and try to solve that.